Hey everyone, so today's video is about something called the IRS disaster relief provisions. Now, generally, this happens, the president will announce a federal disaster area. So if there's wildfires, if there's a major disaster or hurricane, something like that, the federal government will actually allow extended IRS filing deadlines, additional time to collect paperwork. Sometimes they will even waive penalties if you've lost paperwork, if you get into an audit, that kind of thing. So one of the most recent ones that just happened was in New Mexico, the disasters due to the wildfires and the straight line winds that began on April 5th of 2022. The federal government, of course, the president declared a federal disaster area for certain sections. So in this case, Colfax, Lincoln, Mora, San Miguel, and Valencia taxpayers who live or have a business in those areas may qualify for tax relief. So if you live in New Mexico and you've been impacted by one of the disasters, and that is now causing issues with filing tax returns or responding to notices, or you've lost all of your paperwork and if everything burned in a fire, okay, those are things that you can obtain federal relief from. Now, the states often have their own relief program, but in this case, this one is specifically a federal level extension of time to file. So any deadlines that fall on or after April 5th, which of course, April 15th would have been the filing deadline for the federal level IRS tax returns for 2021, would have been April 15th, 2022. That has now been extended to August 31st of 2022. So if anybody has any questions, I know that's not really a tax tip, but it kind of is, especially if you live in New Mexico. Tax Goddess tries to bring you news from across the board and things that might be important to you. So again, if you are an individual living in those areas or have a business in those areas, please don't hesitate to ask us questions. We'd be more than happy to guide you and help you through the federal disaster area regulations and the relief programs related to that. Now, if you have any questions in general, I would love to answer questions. So feel free to submit your questions here to our new FAQs facts page. It's taxgoddess.com/FAQs. Would love to answer those questions for you. So in the meantime, have a wonderful morning and we'll talk to you later. All right. Thanks, guys. Bye.